APLD. How about APLD?
Let me just get that out there. APLD. APLD, Applied Digital. Yeah, it's had a beautiful rally along with all these tech stocks up from $12 to $29. Wow. Did they just have earnings? 10-9. Are they tonight?
Yep.
It looks like earnings are
after
tonight.
The market closes today.
Yeah, there you go. That could be something where we can look at some options. It probably won't be too expensive if that's a way to play it. Let's take a look and see what the expected move is. So in Think or Swim, guys and girls, I go to trade and I put the stock in. And here's where it tells us about what the expected move is. So about $3.50 is the expected move in APLD. So what does that put us at, like 26 and 32? We got a minute. Yeah, let's take a quick look at the options, because the only way I would play this is anytime I go into earnings in a stock, I'm always looking at options, guys and girls, because buying the stock is just a crapshoot, right? So let's see where we are. Expiration today. They only have weeklies in this, it looks like. Yeah, they only have weeklies. So you don't want to do today's expiration. So if we're looking at like 32 calls, which is about the expected move, they're $1.70. That's $170 a contract. And your 25 puts are about $1.50. So a little more expensive to buy calls than puts. So I guess it's a little positive that they're expecting to come out. But whenever I'm looking for, let's say I wanted to buy a 32 call, I would invest $170 per contract. If it gets anywhere near 32 within the next, you got 8 days. So anytime I'm looking at earnings, I'm going to look to play the options and not the stock. Although this is a pretty cheap stock, so you know.
I got a question for you. Shout out Jay Rice. Good morning, Jay. It's great to see you. Welcome back. Jay here mentioning that Applied Digital got an upgrade today. It is actually a price just to nitpick. It's actually a price target. It's actually a new price target. It's not an upgrade. Citizens JPM went from 18 to 35.
Wow.
So
talk about late to the party.
Well, so that's what I was going to ask you. When you see a price target or an upgrade right ahead of earnings, does that make you feel differently at all about it? Like maybe they're doing their homework, or like you said, are they just late to the party and playing catch up?
100% they're late to the party. I mean, That's how I look at it anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
But you know, Ryan, that's par for the course in almost any stocks that we look at. Okay. These analysts upgrade stocks at the high and downgrade stocks at the low. It's like when the video was $86, there wasn't an analyst out there who had a buy rating on it or said to buy it. So they're always a day late and a dollar short. I take that with a grain of salt. I pay absolutely no attention to it whatsoever.